In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create indicators in Metatrader 4. By the end, you'll understand how to find indicators online, choose the right ones, download them safely, and place them in the correct folder so your platform can use them. Start by opening your browser. We're heading to the official Metatrader website and marketplace to browse available tools. In the search bar, type Metatrader Expert Advisors. Even though the phrase mentions expert advisors, that section also hosts indicators, utilities, and other add-ons. The goal here is simply to reach the official catalog where thousands of community and vendor tools live. Using a reputable source reduces the chance of downloading something incompatible or untrusted. Once you're on the site, click through to the marketplace results. You'll see filters and categories that help you narrow things down. Take a moment to explore options labeled popular, new, free, or paid. Popular items usually have a track record of downloads and reviews, which can be helpful if you're just getting started. New listings might include fresh ideas, while free ones are great for testing without risk. If you're considering paid tools, skim the ratings and comments to gauge reliability and support. Always check the product description for compatibility. For Metatrader 4, you'll want files built for MT4, typically with .mq4 or .ex4 extensions. If you use Metatrader 5, those would be .mq5 or .ex5. Matching the file to your platform is essential for it to load correctly. Click on the listing that interests you and download it. Free items typically download immediately. Paid items may require a quick sign-in and purchase confirmation. Save the file in a place you can find easily, like your desktop or a dedicated trading tools folder. Before moving on, glance over any included notes from the developer. They often outline the recommended timeframe, symbols, or special settings that make the indicator work as intended. Now open your Metatrader platform. If you're following this specifically for Metatrader 4, don't worry, the next steps are the same in spirit. In the platform's top menu, click File, then click Open Data Folder. This is a shortcut that takes you to the exact directory where Metatrader stores scripts, indicators, and expert advisors. Using this route ensures you're working in the right installation if you have more than one terminal on your computer. Inside the data folder, open the MQL directory. On Metatrader 5, this is labeled MQL5. On Metatrader 4, it's labeled MQL4. Inside you'll see folders named Indicators and Experts. Indicators are tools that calculate and display values on your chart, things like oscillators, trend overlays, and custom visual signals. Experts or expert advisors are automated strategies that can execute trades according to predefined rules. Knowing the difference matters, so you place files in the correct spot. If the item you downloaded is an indicator, place its file in the Indicators folder. If you downloaded an expert advisor, place it in the Experts folder instead. That folder structure is what Metatrader reads when it builds the list of tools in your Navigator panel. Keeping everything in the right place makes it easy to manage updates later and avoids confusion if you install multiple tools. After you've organized the file, return to your platform. Your indicators and expert advisors are listed in the Navigator on the left side, under their respective sections. From there, you can access their inputs and documentation, and you'll be able to add them to charts once the platform recognizes them. If the developer included a README or notes, refer to those for recommended parameters such as periods, smoothing types, or alert preferences. Clear settings often make the difference between a noisy chart and a useful signal. To wrap up, the workflow is straightforward. Visit the official marketplace through your browser, filter and choose a reputable tool, download it, open your platform's data folder, and navigate to MQL4 or MQL5, then to indicators or experts, depending on what you selected. Keep an eye on compatibility, file extensions, and developer guidance, and favor well-reviewed items from trusted sources. That's how you confidently create your indicator setup in Metatrader and keep your workspace organized.